Hello everybody. How is everybody on YouTube today? It is Fanman Steve here once again, and this here is the 8-inch super electric desk fan that I recently just made a video of. And today we are going to be installing a new switch to the fan, and this is the switch that I found for it. It's a two-way toggle switch, and I'm absolutely certain that it's gonna function for this 60 cycle 100-volt fan here. I'm guessing that's what it is. That's what it says on the front. That's what it says on the front. And this switch is rated at 10 amp and 125 VAC and a 15 amp 250 AC. I'm guessing I'll have to look into that. I haven't gotten into that experience of the electricals just yet. But anyhow, we're going to test this on the fan, and we're going to see how it works, and we're going to see if this switch will be the right one for the fan. So basically, all I have to do is, this is the power cord that I'm going to use for it. I'm just going to get this all connected, get it connected right, and then we'll test it and we'll see how this works. Okay, everybody, I've got everything wired up here. I've got the wires connected to the switch going to the leads to the fan, and I've got it all mended up with some shrink tubing here, and we're going to plug this in and we're going to see what happens. Okay, put it to where you can see it. Okay, I'll flick the switch and I'll see what happens. Okay, great. Well, it started. No sparks or fire or anything like that. Okay, so it looks like everything is working properly after all here. Alright, shut it off. Alright, I think that's going to work nicely. Well, I guess I'll just take and I'll heat shrink all of this down here and get this all put together, and I guess that'll pretty much do it for this fan. This will be the official switch for this fan. Okay, everybody, I got the insulation nice and sealed up here, and I've wrapped it all up with this electrical tape. It doesn't look particularly stylish, but hey, man, I think this will do the trick. After all, I am fixing this up for a family friend, and he was wanting this fixed up and new switch for it and everything. And so here it is. Alright, let me go ahead and I'll start this thing up one more time. Oh no! You'll cut your finger off. Okay. Air range to it is okay. I mean, it doesn't have the best pitch. I think these were more or less more intended for like offices and kitchens and stuff like that, in my opinion. I've never seen one of these. I don't know that much about them, but maybe some of you could give me some information on this. Well, okay then. Well, I guess that's the best it's gonna get. I guess it pretty much does it for this old clunker here. Well, there you go, everybody. There is a video of a repair of this 8-inch super electric desk fan. I hope that you've enjoyed the video and more videos to come. Have a good one. Bye bye.